Good afternoon, this is Ryan. I am trying to give a quick tutorial on how to separate PDF pages so that you... Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ryan. I have a quick tutorial just for those of us that don't know that it is possible to separate pages out of a PDF so that you can have a file that is only made of the page that you want. It's really useful if you have a workbook or something and you need your kids to download it, and you want to post it and not have to direct them to specific pages, just give them the file that only includes the pages that they want. The easy thing about this is that just like you might go to print these pages for your students in class, the way that you do these separate PDF files is almost just the same way. So you'll go to print, just like normal printing, and the big difference is when it comes to selecting a printer, you will not select a physical printer, you will select an export, so it will print to export as a file. So basically print to file, and then you can choose your pages, and it will print those pages to where you choose. So I want to show you what that is going to look like. So I'm going to go up and show you a top corner here. If I pull up a PDF, so in this case, I have a PDF that is 18 pages long. It's workbook type pages. Doesn't really matter what they are, but I only want my students to do pages 11 and 12. I am going to select file, or I could even do it from the print icon. Click the print icon, hit Control P, or select file and print. All those will get me to the same spot. And you will probably have a preferred printer that selects first. But if you look through your printing options and your printer choices, you should see print to PDF, um, or print to file options, and you will choose that instead of a printer. Um, Other than that, you can choose your pages. So I said I wanted to choose pages 11 and 12. Separate the pages with commas, or you can do a page range. For example, I could do 11, 12, 16 through 18, right? That would give me one file that had pages 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, just like you're printing. If I could pick them individually, or if I wanted to do a range. So once I go there, even though it is just a file, I am going to select print. So once I print, it is going to, oh, sorry, left a comma there. Once I select print, it is going to create the file, and then it is going to ask me where I want to put that file. So for this demonstration, I just made a desktop folder called Split PDF, and I can choose my name, and maybe I want to include which pages it is, so that if I want to come back and I put all of my split off pages there, I know which ones I want. Save as a PDF, and once I save and that is complete, I can go into that folder. I can use, my looking in my desktop. I can look in my split PDF folder, and there I see the pages that I just split off. Now I have a file with only the pages that I want, and that is what I would use to give to my students. So just a quick recap. All you need to do is go through just about the same steps that you would for printing. The biggest difference is selecting export to PDF or print to file in your printer selection, and then you'll have to choose a file location and a file name. You can email me if you have any questions about that. I hope that clears things up for you. Have a great day.